Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Ki Sangma Ulapli ka Talent Identification Phase 2 and Elite Pathway Program Arhaja Arphosau Arphosan Haka Khat Sau Tarik Ulaber Arhaja Arphosau Hashlam Trikam Jongka SAI Training Center Kabadan Hanehu Shillong Hakani ka program lawan Sakhilang Uklur Akplim Bollywood Ujon Abraham Haringkat Kajingadan Lang U Chief Secretary ba DP Walang ka Director Katanat Yalekai ka Kong Isawanda Lalu Working President ba John F. Karshiying bat kiwe. Nagani ka program lakmi lenti bandang se yaki khana ki badan ki sap yale kai ba pher ki bala banting shan omtang hapo kari henry wat shabari ru kumju.
Like to announce the launch of the Phase 3 Talent ID program. Kublai Shibun, Matela and Jahin.
Yes, a round of applause as the Talent Identification Phase 3 and Elite Pathway Programs 2024-25 has been launched. As we watch these
Fast. Run, faster, yes. Not speak much because we have another program after this, and we have already heard by John Karshing, who has given you a detailed speech on what this program is about, but more importantly, what has been the approach of the government of Meghalaya when it comes to sports and in general the approach towards the youth of our state and a holistic approach that we are moving forward both in terms of the youth policy as well as the sports policy. And today is again another very, very important day. As John had mentioned to you that we had initiated a project where for the first time in the history of our state and most probably in the whole country, a very scientific approach towards identifying talent among the youth and then preparing them and supporting them to excel in the talents that they have, which they might not have known. And this approach has today allowed us to select about 12 elite athletes who are now being trained by specialists and are at the right age and are in the right discipline that they excel in. And we are hoping, we are already getting very good results and very good information. And we are really hoping that these elite athletes will bring laurels to the state and will help us in becoming major players at the national level. And even though our population may be small, but if we are able to focus on the right things, we are able to select and really search the talent that is there and nurture it the right way, support them the right way, we can come out successful at the national as well as the international level. So this is really what our approach is. And today we are here to launch the next phase of the talent identification project and the elite pathways project. And therefore, without any further delay, I once again congratulate the sports department and the MSOA for the tremendous work they did in the previous phases, and I'm sure that we will expect better results, because I'm sure we must have learnt from the past phases to now improve this particular phase. And I hope that we'll get even better results as we move forward.